Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you, and we're back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Power Calculator. So it asks us to create a function that takes voltage and current and returns the calculated power. So as you can see in the examples, these are going to be the two arguments. It's going to get you 2300. These two arguments are going to get you 330, and so on. So right here on the notes, it requires basic calculation of electrical units. See resources for info. So on Edabit, besides the code tab, solutions tabs, comments, there's a tab for resources. So here on the resources tab, we can see that power is equal to voltage and current. So these are the two arguments that we have in the code tab are int voltage and int current. The function's int circuit power. So this is the first problem that we've done on this series of Edabit, that we're going to multiply two arguments, and those arguments are voltage and current. So what we could do is just return voltage times current, and this is going to give us the answer. As you can see, it passed all the tests, but I always like to give you a different way to do it, especially on these that are the beginning of what we're doing. So what we could do is we're going to do int variable named, let's go power, which is going to equal to voltage times current. And then we just return power. And this should give us the exact same thing, and it's going to pass all these tests that Edabit has for us. So as you can see, it passed all the tests. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.